There's one crucial step in between all of this that you need to learn, which is what I'm going to explain in this video, to put all of this together and to make your first $100, $200, $300 a day online. If you get this right, you can make boatloads of money online. I'm going to show you other people doing this and exactly how you can start what they're doing and replicate this trend. The key to make money online and to build a successful business, or to really get anywhere in life, is patience and consistency and volume. Is to be consistent over the years. Most people are trying to chase a get rich quick scheme, or they want to make quick money online. But if you really want to make a lot of money online, you need to focus and stay consistent for a while and not give up. So this is a fantastic way to earn some extra income online, or to turn this into a full-blown business. But this depends on your willpower and how much effort you're willing to put into this. But I'm also going to help you out, as at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys some cash. So make sure to watch until the end of this video. And if you want to win my 6-figure drop servicing bootcamp, all you need to do is leave a like on this video. You need to stay subscribed on this YouTube channel down below with the red notification bell on, and comment down below that you're ready. And in tomorrow's video, I will announce the winner of that 6-figure bootcamp, and also doing a cash video at the end of this video. But what's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset. I'm an online entrepreneur, web developer, and software developer from South Africa. On this channel, I'm documenting my journey on how to make money online. Later this afternoon, I'm also going to be posting on my second channel over here, Millionaire Mindset Plus, and I'm going to be doing another cash giveaway and a course giveaway. So if you want to get daily giveaways on this YouTube channel, come over to the third link in the description and you'll be able to go subscribe to this YouTube channel and watch my latest video over here on how you can enter some giveaways. And stay tuned for tonight's video on this YouTube channel. But without further ado, guys, we're going to get straight into this. So as I promised, I'm going to show you how people are making boatloads of money from this and how you can do the same. Take a look at this little book over here. This is a little book called The Big Fat Surprise. Basically, why butter, meat, and cheese belong in a healthy diet. So this book currently costs $14.99, and if I calculate how much they've made on this so far, based on the amount of reviews they've got, that's $14.99 multiplied by 1,846. That's over $27,000 this person has made with this simple little book. Now, the thing is, what a lot of people don't know about people on Amazon Kindle is that a lot of these people aren't writing these books themselves. They're either outsourcing it, or they're doing it themselves with software that automatically generates these books for them, and they post it on Amazon Kindle and they sell it. And in order to get ranked on Amazon Kindle, all you need to do is just leave a couple of reviews yourself, get the Amazon Kindle algorithm to rank it up, and from there, you will naturally get a lot of traffic from Amazon's websites directly. I'm going to give to you a done-for-you template as well in any niche that you can think of. So now that you understand how people are actually making money with this on the Amazon Kindle store, you want to come over to this website over here called visme.co, and this is a website where we can create presentations, templates, books, covers, you name it. You want to click on sign up for free on the bottom right or the top right of this website, and you just want to enter your email and password as prompted on the screen over here. Once you've signed in, you're going to be prompted with this screen over here where we can choose between presentations, infographics, documents, charts and graphs, principles, web graphics, social graphics, video, GIF images, and way more as well. What we want to go and choose is click on documents over here. You just want to slide right and choose ebooks. Click on ebooks, and this is where we can go and get tons of done-for-you templates that we can go and sell on the Amazon Kindle store. Obviously, we need to fill these ebooks with content, so I'm also going to show you another database in a bit, so make sure to keep watching. It's super crucial if you want to make money with this, and then I'm going to show you how to put it all together. So first of all, you can go and choose an ebook based on your theme or niche. So here's obviously a book about fashion, business, technology, HR, which is human relations, cooking, should I eat that? Actually quite interesting. So let's, for example, go choose this over here. Should I eat that? We're going to go click on edit over here. So if you look on the right of my screen over here, you can see every single page in this ebook. So over here, you can see, should I eat that? There's a whole table of contents over here. You've got the author's note. You've got some, there's more to term fitness than losing weight. The key habits for staying fit, healthy diet plan. So this ebook is like done for you already with done for you content, and all the pages go all the way down to number 12. So we can go and add new pages and extend on this ebook if you'd like, or we can go and download this ebook already to use as our template to sell on the Amazon Kindle store. But quickly before we get started, comment down below if you're enjoying this video so far and leave a like. I'd really appreciate your positivity on this channel. It really pumps me up to bring out epic content for you guys every time you show positivity on this channel. But let's say we're ready to download this ebook. You're going to click on download on the top right of the screen over here. Click on documents PDF over here. We're just going to download this as a PDF, and we're going to click on all of these pages over here and click on download to my PC. Once you click on download, it's going to generate your done for you ebook like this. It will take a couple of seconds and it will save to your PC, ready to upload on the Amazon Kindle store. Just as a bonus for you guys, you can also come over to the website IDPLR.com in case you run out of content on visme.co. So you will see on IDPLR there are over 12,500 different ebooks and content that you can claim for yourself. You're allowed to resell them, you're allowed to give them private label rights, you're allowed to give them giveaway rights, meaning you're allowed to give them away, and you're allowed to claim them as your own personal assets. So this means all the content on this website has no licenses. You don't have to stress about copyright. All of this content is free for you to use. So for example, we can come over to products, we can come over to ebooks, and we can click on, for example, with master resale rights. And over here, you can see tons of done for you ebooks, from the overcoming a phone addiction, healthy habits, the morning ritual, focus, the power of visualization. So these are all ebooks we can go and use. So you're allowed to go and download this. For example, let's choose this one, overcoming the phone addiction. We're going to click on download. Over here, we're just going to sign in, log in with our account, and here it's downloading to my PC. And what I suggest you do is, before you just go and upload this onto Amazon Kindle, come over to a website called Spinbot, spinbot.com, which will rewrite this entire article for you in your own words, because sometimes Amazon Kindle can reject ebooks that you want to sell if they pick up it's not your own words. So I recommend come over to Spinbot, you just enter some text, so you can go, hello, how are you? Click on the I am human option over here, and I will change it to, for example, hi, how are you? Obviously it will be more diverse with the more text you enter, so there's not much to really change about this, but this was just a simple example. So once you've done that, you're going to save your ebook again like I've saved over here on my PC. So we can then close this. You want to come over to the Amazon Kindle store. You want to sign in or sign up with your own account. So you're just going to go sell at the top right over here, and you're going to click on sign in over here with your Amazon account if you don't have one, or sign up over here with your KDP account. So let's click on sign up if you don't have an account, which I'm assuming you don't. So we're going to click on sign up, assuming that you don't have an account. You're just going to enter your email or your phone number and your password, and you can click on sign in. Otherwise, click on create your KDP account, enter your name, email, password, and re-enter your password. So if you guys want to see a strategy on how these people are making well over 15,000 euros and $15,000 a month selling rare high income skills and services without actually doing that work themselves. So what they are doing is a method of drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping products or tangible goods, they are drop shipping rare high income skills and services, and they make anywhere between $300 and $400 profit per sale, sometimes even up to over $1,000 per sale, depending on that service. So if you want to learn and get a free training on how these people are doing this, you can come over to the first link in the description. It will take you to a 7-minute video over here explaining exactly what's in this program and exactly how you can build your successful drop servicing agency. So if you want to go and claim all of this for 85% off, use this coupon down below at the bottom. It's a coupon that I'm running at the moment. There's about 4 spots left, or 4 of them available. So make sure to go and claim that while they still last, and definitely recommend watch this with some earphones in a quiet place with no distractions, as this can be a life-changing program like it was for me and other people as well. But guys, as I promised at the beginning of this video, I'm going to announce how you can win some cash. So in this video, or now at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a $30 giveaway to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet. If you don't have PayPal, all you need to do is leave a like, comment down below that you've done, subscribed, liked, and commented, and in tomorrow's video, I will announce a lucky winner from the comments and give you your $30. Also comment down below if you would like me to spread out the PayPal giveaway. So instead of $30 $5 to one person, maybe $10 to 3 people, or $5 to 6 people. Comment down below, let me know what you think. But guys, click on this playlist over here and make sure you go and click on the first link in the description, and I'll see you over there.